I'm out at the front of our property looking east. As you can see, here's our front property. There's the driveway. And it goes past these rocks over to there. So I'm going to walk down the driveway and show you what it looks like. I'm standing at the end of the driveway at the beginning of our clearing. So we're going to do a 180 degrees so that you can see the whole clearing. Now I'm going to walk down and show you the rest of the yard from the view of the front deck. There's David.
Hey, Beth.
As you saw, we got buzzed by the hummingbirds. Now I'm going to show you the garden. Okay, and we're going to go down to the tile or the culvert. That's the shred pile that we're going to be having chipped up tomorrow. Now I'm going to show you the friendship path over to Raquel's house. And that's Raquel's house in her yard. We are back at our path and we're going down to the bridge. Now here we are at the bridge, and as you can see, we've not had any rain, so the creek is not running. Here's a 180 degrees of the creek. The next section is we're going up to where David put up a swing. Sorry, I walked through a spider web and a spider got on me. Here we go. Here's the swing that David put up from that branch. And it's a lot of fun. I have no one to video me, so I won't be getting on the swing. From this point on, it's uphill. We're at the top of the hill, and now we're going to go down to Ooh-Ah Lookout. This is Ooh-Ah Lookout. I'm going to give you a 360 degrees going to the left. I'm standing at the rock formation of the drop-off. I don't know if you can tell. There's a rock formation way over there behind the vegetation, just to jut out a little bit. And then you can see it goes way down, probably maybe 100, 200 feet. And then straight out that way is towards the edge of our property, but you can't see the edge. I'm going to go from Ooh-Ah Lookout to approximately the edge of our property, up this other path. I think this is the edge of our property, so this goes on into Thomas and Raquel's and then onto a farm field. David has mowed the whole thing, but we aren't going to go all the way to the farm field. And that's it. That's your tour.